Good day friends and welcome to the channel. In this one I'll show you how to use OpenArt AI to generate videos. So you firstly of course create your account and then log in, and the first thing you want to do is of course you will end up at a home page, and in here you either select the video, right, so it's going to be turning prompts into visuals and clips as you can see, or we can also scroll down and we have this little collection here of things we can do, and in here we're looking for text to video. Let's just click on that. And now, as you can see, we will have this interface. It's actually updated, which looks pretty awesome. And now what do? So in the describe your video field, this is going to be our prompt field where you describe what you want. So just explain the AI in plain language what you wish to create, and then you can just press on generate and your video will be created. So as you can see, in my case, I've already created some of the things. I've created some of the arts, some pictures, some business photos as well. So as you can see, this is all done by me. So if you want an example, here, for example, I created a clock, right, completely from scratch by using the text to video prompt. So you can have, as you can see, quite realistic videos, also depending on which model you choose. So the models, as you can see, are not available to change here. They probably just moved them into the premium subscription, but you can just inside the prompt decide which resolution. Oh, there you go. There's the model. Sorry, didn't know they just moved it. You choose the model here, then you choose how many videos you want to create. If they have audio, then output resolution, and then press on generate. Simple as this. Only a few clicks away to creating your first video. Enjoy the guide, enjoy creating, and see you in the next one.